So Becky, I'm assuming that you're okay with the first two steps of this, because basically what you need to do is you need to work out how many moles of sulfuric acid you have and how many moles of sodium hydroxide you have. So this should be using your C equals N over V, N equals C times V. So I'm hoping that it's fairly straightforward to take 0.55 times 0.0264 for sulfuric acid and 0.0196, sorry, it's early times 0.72 for sodium hydroxide, and I will just check the answers for you on those there, just write them in here, just make sure that's okay. Right, so I've checked those answers for you. The NaOH is 1.41 times 10 to the minus 2, and the H2SO4 is 1.45 times 10 to the minus 2. Right. Okay, so you've got more moles of H2SO4, but of course remember you've got, what's a different colour, H2SO4 plus 2 NaOH is going to give you your balanced equation. I've got room to write the rest of it. I'm hoping you know the rest of it, to give you sodium sulfate and 2 waters. So the point is that your actual H+, your moles of H+, is going to be 2 times 1.45 times 10 to the minus 2. Right, I'm just going to try and make this a little bit smaller. Let's see, there we go. Right, give you a bit more space. Right, so that takes you up to, I think it's Mark 1 and Mark 2 for this. Right, so you need to know now the excess moles of H+. So H+, because we're going to have more. So it's this value here, minus this value here, which was the moles of NaOH. Okay, so 2 times 1.5 times 10 to the minus 2, which is 2.9 times 10 to the minus 2, minus 1.41 times 10 to the minus 2 gives you your moles of H+. Now, the mistake you're probably making at this point is you need to now turn it back into an H+ concentration to work out the pH, right? Okay, so at the moment this is moles of H+. Okay, so you use C equals N over V to get it back there. I think the mistake you're probably making is forgetting that the volume is now much bigger. Okay, so you have 1.41 times 10 to the minus 2 moles of H+, but it is in 19.6 plus 26.4 centimetres cubed, whatever that is. So you need to add together that volume, and that volume needs to come down here. Okay, so you need to divide that by, I can't do it in my head because it's too early. Okay, so you divide that by that total volume to give you your H+ concentration, and then you can use minus log H+ to give you the pH, and that should take you through to the end. All right, hope that works for you.